Hi, Adam Syed here. Today I'm going to discuss Kreutzer Etude number 15, which is wonderful for working on the strength of your trills, particularly the second and third finger, and especially when there is a whole step between the two fingers. Because of the way our hand is made, and particularly the tendon, whenever I trill, the second and third finger together, whenever it's a whole step and there's that whole step of space, of distance between the second and third finger, there exists a little bit of tension in the hand, which makes it difficult to actually do this in a rapid fashion. We don't have the same problem if it's a high second finger and it's a half step. From a C sharp to D is a lot easier. Also, the first finger to the second finger is not quite as difficult because of the physics of our hand. I don't feel like I'm having to exert as much energy to trill that rapidly when I do the first and second finger, either whole step or half step, or when I do the second finger to third finger, half step. But the second to third finger whole step can be a rather hairy one. So that's where this etude comes in. Okay? And it's in 4/4, but this should be practiced slow enough that we should actually be feeling the 8th note as the beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And then here, 4th position, okay? Second finger on the F natural. Now down to 1st position on the E string. Third position. 4th position. Here, I play the D with the 3rd finger, so I kind of extend backwards after having the first finger on the E flat in the 4th. Now back down to 1st position. So here's that first line again. At the bottom of the page, you can see 4 different steps you can use to gradually expand the trill so that it has a lot of turns in it and not just a few. So the first step is to play The next one is to add a lower C at the beginning of it. The third one is to then add another D. And finally, an extra C before that. And eventually, after practicing this etude enough, you'll eventually be able to play until the end of time.